Is ExpressVPN good for gaming? The short answer, yes. Yes it is. But I'll give you a quick demonstration in a second. I'm just going to go ahead and connect to the Dallas server here. I am in Mexico City. ExpressVPN actually has servers in 94 different countries, so you can always find a server that's close to you. So I'm starting up this Bayview RP server, my usual go-to test server. I've done slightly more scientific tests on another video, but this is what we're doing today. We're just going to go with that, and as you can see, I'm running around and having fun, and so far nothing looks like it's lagging. Let's get a quick look at the ping. All right, if you check, you're looking at the network send and receive, we're looking at around an average of 60 milliseconds of latency or ping, and honestly, that is pretty good. It's not the most amazing. I've gotten results as low as 45 before, but it is still a pretty great result. So as you can see, ExpressVPN works just fine for gaming. It is supported on all servers. You don't need to connect to any particular network or server. That has been today's ExpressVPN gaming test. You could also check the link below to our slightly more scientific tests that used Apex Legend and New World. Check the links down in the description for a full review of ExpressVPN and a discount link if you decide to purchase it, because honestly you can get a pretty hefty discount there. Again, if you found this video useful and helpful, please do the YouTube stuff, and this has been Ezekiel Bruni for VPN Mentor.